Put
E-musicality.
exactly. E-musicality. And you can, for example, put the instrument, one song,
You can choose the instrument and the
different
they
songs.
have-
Mira, do you know this song? Me emborracharé, no? Yes. And you can, for example, okay, only the bass. And put only the bass.
And
With
you
the
can
bongo.
practice with every song at home.
Yes, and exactly. You can practice, okay, alone with the bass, with the instrument, exactly. So, now, first part of the rhythm. Bongo, 7 in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Part with the bass. In 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7 and 1 and 3, 4, 5 and 7 and guitar 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and. This is the first part, okay? Rhythm part. Second part, voice, okay? Lyrics or melody.
O requinto.
Exactly.
Voice o requinto.
Use things, timing, different timings, okay? Outside to the structure of the bachata. Timing in black, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Timing, white, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Timing, redonda, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. And mix, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? With different, remember, with different movement. Okay? Isolation, walking.
Footwork.
Exactly. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
So what do you prefer? Bachata or